Hi guys, so today I am so excited. I don't know why I just did that. That was so random. I apologize. But I'm so excited. I had just received this box in the mail from, I don't even know if you could see the box. It's from Art Natural. I've been eyeing their product for a little while now. And they just sent me some products to review. Hold on and make sure that you guys are unable to see my address. Yeah, so they sent me some products and I wanted to unbox in the video. So it says Art Natural. Hey so hope this letter finds you well. Enjoy our line of shea butter hair care. Can't wait to see what you come up with your videos, Tammy. And this is it right there. I don't even know if you can see, so I'm just gonna lift it up so you can see the packaging. This one says Art Naturals and bubble wrap. There's this bubble wrap as well, and then it's shea butter, avocado, and lychee leave-in conditioner, moisturizing blend for dry hair, chamomile, aloe vera, rosemary, cruelty-free, parabens-free, and sulfate-free. I like the fact that it has aloe vera right off the bat. So this is a leave-in conditioner. And let me do a close-up again so you can see. Hopefully it's not blurry. That's that. And then I'm about to choke myself with the box. And then we have these two. Let me put this down so I can see what it is. Let's see. Oh, sorry. Okay, so this is, I guess this is a shampoo. This is a combo. This is a shampoo and a conditioner. This is the shea butter, avocado, and lychee shampoo, moisturizing silk for dry hair. And this one has rose hip, aloe leaf, coconut. And this is it right there. And this is the shea butter, avocado, lychee, and conditioner, moisturizing silk. And it has the same ingredients as the shampoo. I want to unbox them so I can see what they smell like, because I'm big when it comes to smell. I like a product that smells good. So that's like the first thing I notice with a product, the smell, and then the consistency of the product. So let's see what the conditioner smells like. It doesn't have like a very strong smell. It has a very light scented smell. It smells nice. And you can see the consistency. It's like it's not thick, it's like a lotion. That's the conditioner. And let's see the shampoo. Hold on. And it's right on time because I have to wash my hair. And I'm about to try a roller set. So this is the shampoo. And this is the consistency. It's I don't know if you can see that, but yeah, I don't know what other consistency I expected. It's a shampoo. What is it gonna look like? I don't even know why I did that, but yeah, it smells nice. It's a little bit, the smell is a little bit lighter. The smell is a little bit lighter than the conditioner. And I'm gonna open the the leave-in because I want to see what it smells like. I guess they all smell the same. Yeah, very light scented, but they smell really nice. It's not a overpowering smell. I guess when I put it in the box, it kind of opened up a little bit, so I just put a little bit on my hair just now. Yeah, so I was sent these 3 products from Art Naturals. I cannot wait to try them and give you a fair review on these products. So stay tuned for that. I'm gonna be washing my hair probably tonight or tomorrow morning. I should probably do a video showing you how the product works for my hair. So stay tuned for that. I'm gonna be using the leave-in conditioner to do my roller set as well, along with my Natural hair oil. So there you go, the Shea Moisture Avocado leave-in conditioner. I have their conditioner and their shampoo, and they all claim that it's catered towards dry hair. And you guys know that I recently got some highlight with bleach, so and that is very drying to natural hair. So those will definitely come in handy when it comes to moisturizing my color treated hair. So that's it. That's all I wanted to share with you guys in this video. Stay tuned for the next ones where you can see how I'm gonna get ready to use this product. So that's it. I'll talk to you guys in my next video.